Veterinary Drugs Part 2 Multivitamin.
Vitamins are organic compounds that are essential for normal growth and prevention of disease in animals. They are effective in small amounts in promoting the health of animals, improving their appetite and digestion, increasing their resistance of many diseases, and increase their growth rate and productive capacity. There are many drugs we can prevent and treat vitamin deficiency in animals. In case of vitamin deficiency, you can use these drugs, multivitamin or Vitaboost. They are vitamins as injection